The question is, draw a ray diagram to show the path of the refracted ray in each of the following cases. A ray of incident light on a concave lens is first passing through its optical center, second parallel to its principal axis. So let's see how the figures will be formed. The first one is passing through optical center of concave lens. So when the ray will pass from the optical center, no deviation will be there and ray will pass out straight away. And in second, when the light is parallel to the principal axis, when it will pass through concave lens, refraction will be there, and after refraction of the concave lens, it will diverge like this. So in both the cases, figures that we found will be something like these two.